What is up, YouTube? We back with another video for to start the week off. This video is gonna go over what I'm watching this week and all of this. July 12th. This is gonna be the birthday week. Birthday week stock update because my birthday on July 14th. I got my new brand right here, delayed not denied. Created on deployment. Just a reminder. Just because your goals are pushed back by time doesn't mean that they're denied. Just be ready to receive more than what you asked for. It's like a spiritual meaning, but also a mental reason if nobody is spiritual. So we're gonna get into the stocks. So first we're gonna look at the stocks I was looking at last week and see how they perform. Hoff bounced at the 33 level at its 200 EMA. Boom, resistance support. ADM, it started bouncing right here, but I wanted to come down to this 200 EMA and this key level right here. Love did what I wanted to do. Came down to this level right here, below this 200 EMA a little bit, showing divergence. DLTR is at this level of confluence, is showing divergence, but divergence really inaccurate now. It's kind of old. Walgreens, I wanted to come down here before I hop into it, and it didn't. Maybe it'll come down there in the future. But now we're gonna go to this week, and we're also gonna look at them, check out the news on them real quick as well. CCL, this is what I do, but this is gonna be in a faster fashion than how I really analyze it. But first, we're gonna look at CCL. They just blew earnings. They didn't beat earnings, so that's a bad thing. That's probably why they coming down. But they are coming down into this key level right here. So that's another good sign once they come into this key level. And they'll probably be oversold as well. But if we go look at them on here, let's check out some news, see if we get anything beneficial or any bad news. Uh, mm, mm, let's see what they say. Looks very attractive. How do they have it marked up? Uh, at this level right there, I don't know. We're gonna keep going till we find something more beneficial. I ain't gonna waste all my time on here. Really, I really go to an app to see. Really, I go to an app to see if yeah, we can't really find that on here. But from a technical standpoint, we do see the beneficial factors of it. But if y'all want to hop into it, I'd tell y'all to go find some news or something beneficial that would make this go up. But I'm not gonna do it on here. Too time consuming. So for Nike, I was looking at Nike how it gapped up strong, real strong. It's outside the Bollinger Band. It's overbought. It did beat earnings, so that's probably a good reason why it did go up. But we all know how some gaps work. As soon as this come down and gap fill to this level right here, I'm gonna go ahead and enter long. So if you like Nike as their brand or whatever, I'll be right back. But yeah, for Nike, I like Nike if it come back down and gap fill because we know how gaps work. It could partial fill or it could fill all the way. But long as it get below 138.40, I see benefits of it. We can scroll through here, see if we find some good news on it. And if not, look, they see the same thing I'm looking at. Change it. Big pivot. Like, see, if you like Nike long term, once it do come back down the gap field, that's a perfect time to get into it. But we finna skip to the next one, cause we ain't gonna scroll on here all day to look for some news. Let's see how they got it marked up. Mhm. Yeah, we're gonna go to the next one. BA. BA is an airline just like Love is. Just how Love bouncing at this support right here. BA bouncing at this fourth touch of resistance. But it also got a bullish engulfing. If y'all don't know what a bullish engulfing pattern is, it's in my book, link in the bio. But yeah, it's on this fourth touch of support, but a bullish engulfing, showing that it engulfed the selling candle in front of it. So that shows like bullish sentiment. So that's a good play as well. But it depends on how far it go up. Like if it stay below 240, yeah, that's a good time to get in it. But if it open Monday above 240 and it's already gone, It's kind of too late for real. And you see how it was bouncing off this 200 EMA, and now look, it's right there again. But if it run off too far, it's too far to get in. As long as it's below 240 and they don't run up too far, I'm straight with that. We got ATVI. Let's look at BA on here real quick. See, this the kind of news we be looking for on the other ones right here. Test flights.
You got to go to school tomorrow. You gonna put this stuff all over you.
She been painting up for a whole hour since she left.
Gonna move me, gonna get you. You got to go to school tomorrow too.
Well, they can't wear that to school. But ATVI, I like it once it come back down to this 8760 level, because this was once resistance, and you can see how it's acting as like a perfect support level on here now. And you also got the 200 EMA, but I wanted to break below that a little bit, and it'll break below the Bollinger Band a little bit. And once it get right here, I see potential in it going back up. And the way I do it is, once I'm up like 10%, 5 through 10%, that's when I get out. So I don't really mark up a take profit level from the chart. I just 2.5% stop loss, 5 through 10% take profit. CVS, if it come back down right here, it'll be oversold. It'll be at the 200 EMA, and it'll be at this area of confluence, and it'll be like at the bottom of the Bollinger Band. So I see potential in this, but at first it got to come down like to the middle of this 75.90. We got EA. We got, let's see, we got third touch of support, kinda, but not really. It ain't come down enough yet. You got the 200 EMA. You got this area of confluence, and it'll be at the bottom of this Bollinger Band. So I like that as well. Yeah, I like EA as well. Check the news out real quick. So I don't be trying to make these too long, because y'all don't be watching them for real. This the last one right here. MU. I already like where it's at right now. Old resistance. Now it's at this support. Bottom of Bollinger Band at this 200 EMA. It just beat earnings too, so that's good news. So if something beat earnings and it's still coming down a little bit to a support level, that's a good news, because it only has another, that's an extra reason for it to continue to go up, because it's already at support on like 3 different things. Bollinger Band, 200 EMA, and from a technical support, but also be earnings. So that's another good reason for it to start going back up. But yeah, that's all of it. We did that in like less than 10 minutes. We're gonna check out some news real quick. Let's see. See, everybody be looking at different things. See, he's looking at like a head and shoulders pattern. I just want to see some news. If it hold above 75. Look, he's saying if it hold above 75, could see bullish upside movement. But yeah, that's really it. These, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, these 8, nah, these 7 stocks. These are what I'm gonna look at next month. Well, this week. But check out the news on them. Make sure they fit your rules. And on Tuesday, we're gonna go over some day trading rules, but they can also apply to like long-term investing rules. So yeah, I'll see y'all later.